Welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Let's kick off with football. The Reggae Boyz ended their Asian tour on a disappointing note after being thrashed 4-0 by Japan's Olympic team in Nagoya earlier today. The home side took the lead in the 32nd minute through Getafe midfielder Takefusa Kubo. 10 minutes later, debutant goalkeeper for the Reggae Boyz, Dylan Barnes, had to pick up the ball out of his net again as Wataru Endo doubled their advantage. Now, Ayasu Ueda made it 3-0 in the 57th minute to put the Japanese in cruise control mode. The fourth came in the 64th minute through Ritsu Doan as Japan's under-23 side finalized their preparations for the Olympic Games with another victory. The Reggae Boyz made 5 changes to the starting lineup, which drew 1-1 with Serbia on Monday. The Jamaicans will now turn their attention towards the 2021 CONCACAF Gold Cup. Now, that tournament is set to run from July 10 to August 1 in the United States.